Hey everyone, Dr. Abel Cunningham here, Bigfoot scientist. I'm here with my 2018 Chevy Silverado. If you have a Silverado or a GMC Sierra of the same era, so 2014-ish, 2018-ish, I believe, and your service trailer braking system light is coming on, or if the indicator is coming on telling you what your trailer brake output is, if you don't even have a trailer hooked up, which is how the problem started for me. I'm going to show you how to fix this in less than 5 minutes with just a couple things. So first thing you're going to need is slingshot. Everybody needs a slingshot in the truck. The second thing you're going to need is one of these plastic auto trim removal sets. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon. And just using a screwdriver, pry apart the trim, just knock it off. I mean, that's for teenagers. It's well worth the 20 bucks. And eventually you will need a flathead screwdriver at some point. And the last thing you're going to need, of course, is a new trailer brake controller. I got this off Amazon. I want to say it was 28 bucks. Your mileage may vary. You can find them at any local parts store. So the first thing that's got to come off is going to be these two little sliders that actually activate your trailer brake controller. If it's easier to pry them off with everything together. Okay, so like I said, the first thing that needs to come off is these guys, and you can do that with one of these pry bars like that. Oops, dropped that. Just like so. Easy. Now we can move on to the fuse panel cover. And then the next things that have to come off are your fuse panel cover and this piece right here. And I'll show you how to do that. The fuse panel cover is what you want to start with. You want to start at the bottom and use one of these plastic pry tools and just work your way around this edge. Okay, so now onto your side panel. You usually need 2 of these pry bars for this, and you want to start at the bottom so you can pry it out a little bit, not have to wedge your pry bar in there. And you just kind of go up, you'll hear the clips pop. This one right here seems to be always a little tight, so I use 2 here. And then there's one more up there. And then it slides out from the back. You can see all your clips and your extra fuses and stuff. The next thing to take out is this piece right here. And that's super easy. Just pull it out, starting on that side, and then get your fingers underneath. Pull out the last 2 clips. And then the next thing you want to do is take out the wire connecting the trailer brake controller switch. And you don't have to mess with these. After that, this is where you're going to need your screwdriver. And I'll change the camera angle so you can see better, but there's some clips back in here that you get the screwdriver under and then it pops out. Okay, now I had to change the camera angle so I could use 2 hands. So like I said, you want to get these lower clips in here, and you can kind of push from the front while you're doing it. Just like so, that's that side. The other side tends to be a little bit tighter, but that's it. There's your switch out. Okay, then you need to get your new switch. Make sure the buttons are going the right way, so those go on the bottom. And line up the slot. And then it just pops in like so. Make sure both sides are clipped. And then it's actually easier to put these switches in before you put the panel in, because sometimes with a new switch it can be you can need a little bit of force to put these guys in there, and so you want to hold on the back of the switch so it doesn't pop out of those plastic clips that you just put it in. So you put this one in over here, slide it in, and then the other one is way at the other end. Slide that in. Reconnect your wire. And then this thing just pops in the same way you took it out. Whoops, dropped the camera. Just pops in just like you took it out. Okay, and then the last piece is just putting in your fuse panel cover. So slide it in from the back first. Make sure your clips are lined up. Snap it in. And you're good to go. Okay, so there you have it. That's all there is to it. Like I said, that took less than 5 minutes. Other than me having to shoot the video a couple times because I had the camera angle wrong or something. But that's how you fix the trailer brake indicator light on your 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. And that's all for today. This is Dr. Abel Cunningham signing out.